Yeah. Hello, Divine and Company. I am just in a villa. I sent you just video of now. This is a new build. Fantastic option also. I think it's listed at 1.75, or it's 1.785 or something. You have the master bed up here. It's like a townhouse, but it is a villa. But it's like there is 4 of them this way. Here you have the pool. Let me just quickly go like this. You have beautiful mountains behind. And a walking trail all the way down to the beach. Right here will be an outdoor gym down there. That's the plan in the future. And there is an NBA basket court. This is a very sports-driven area. Very nice, very nice, very nice. But this was just something I thought of. It's a townhouse like this. It's 350, I think, square meters. There's 3 bedrooms and a storage room below. And I'm just here with August. He's going to do some reels for us so we can send it out into the world. A nice kitchen. I'll show you the master bedroom. You have your own pool, but you also have a community pool. If you want to feel a little bit, if you feel a little bit exposed here, you can frost in the glass or put some light curtains. But it is nice with the. There's a lot of light. Everything is domotic system, you know, with. Oh yeah, and so on. I need to learn it also. But here you have a really, really nice master. The bed here, it's unfurnished. So, but this has never been lived in. It was, as I know, a client who couldn't complete it or got a new plans or whatever, and he never moved in. So now he's just selling it. Show you quickly the basement. This is a plug and play option. Here you just move in, happy. And the rental potential here, mainly for long term, this is something we need to talk about, is incredible. Short term also, but the community here is quite exclusive and I don't think they allow short term. But a little garden. This is very, very good option. 1, 2 all ensuite bathrooms, a storage room here, and then a basement here. So really, really modern townhouse, semi-detached you could call it, but it is a villa. It's a big one. And yeah, everything is included: dishwater, wine fridge, blah blah blah. And up here you have Hilton 5-star with all the amenities. I think you saw the pin. Very nice. Community pool, if you don't want to use your own. Very, very nice option.